Myself Chandana, I am from CSC department. Today I want to tell about types of views. Topics: Introduction, how to create and drop a views, types of views, updatable views versus non-updatable views, advantages of using views, limitations of views, practical applications of views. Introduction: what is a view? A view is a virtual table created by querying one or more base tables in a database. The purpose of this view is to simplify complex queries, enhance security, and provide data abstraction. Why should we use views? Presents only necessary information, hiding irrelevant details. Control access by showing only specific columns or rows. Allows complex queries to be reused with simple commands. Aggregates data for reports without altering base tables. How to create and drop a view. Basic syntax: create view, view name as select column 1, column 2 from table name where condition. Example: we show employees in sales department. Create view table employee as select employee ID, employee name from employees where department equal to sales. See, I created one employee ID as 101, 102, 103 and employee name alias Johnson, Bob Smith, Coral Davis. Output shows employee ID and employee name of employees who belongs to the sales department. Actual content of the view will depend on the data in the employees table and which rows meet the where department sales condition. How to drop a view. Facility where you have a view or you need a way to drop the view. If it is no longer need, drop view name. If you drop the table view, customers totally will be deleted. Types of views. There are two types: updatable views and non-updatable views. Let's see updatable views. Views that allows data modification operations like insertion, update, delete on the underlying base table. Conditions for updatability: the view must reference only one base table. The view should not be contain aggregate function. The view must contain join operations or complex subqueries. All columns in the view must directly map to columns in the base table without calculated fields. Examples on update views. Create view employee view as select employee ID, employee name, department from employees where department sales. See I took employee ID, employee name, department and the salary. Update means we are changing one column. In first column we don't have salary. Now we update salary. So once created, you can perform update, insert, delete operations on this view and they will directly affect the employees table. Update means we are updating the one column. Insert means we are inserting one new record to the table. Delete means if we don't want any record from the table, we can delete it. So update operation: update sales employees, set salary. So now we are changing in first table. See what is the salary of employee ID of 101, 55,000. See now we are updating salary 55,000 to 57,000. Okay, now we are inserting a new one, that 105 ID. So insert into salary, sales employees, employee ID, employee name, salary. Now value 105, Eve Thompson 59,000. Now we are deleting. We want to delete one record. For example, now in this table we are deleting one or two record. So delete from sales employees where employee ID is equals to 102. So now ID belongs to 102 is deleted. Next, non-updatable views. Views that do not allow direct modification of data in the underlying base tables. Reasons for non-updatability: Use of aggregations. The view includes sum, count, average, etc. Use of joins. If the view combines data from multiple tables, it becomes non-aggregatable. Grouping of distinct clause. Group by having or distinct in the view query make it read only. Calculated fields. Columns that involves calculations or derived values. Example for non-updatable view. Create view department salary average as select department average salary as average salary from employees group by department. The view products the average salary for each department. Use in this we use aggregate function as a group by. So group by is a non-updatable. Any attempts to modify data through this view will result in an error, because if we use any updatable views, it show an error. In updatable views, if we use aggregate function, it shows an error. Updatable views versus non-updatable views. In updatable views, data modifications will be insertion, update, delete. In non-updatable views, read only. Conditions. Conditions in updatable views. Single table, no aggregates. Conditions for non-updatable views. Aggregations, joins, calculated fields. Use case. Frequently updated data. Reports, summarizes. Advantages of using views. Simplified queries, data security, consistent reports, and data independence. Limitations of views. Performance overhead, limited updatability, dependency on base tables, storage requirement. Practical applications of views. Role-based axis, reporting and analytics, simplified data anything. Conclusion. In DBMS, views are powerful tools for creating virtual representation of data that enhance security, simplify complex queries, and support data abstraction. They provide a reliable perspective on data, making it easier for users to access and analyze information without direct interaction with base tables. By choosing the appropriate type of views, database designers can optimize data access, enforce security, and improve the overall usability of a data system. In essence, views as a virtualized and essential component in managing, protecting, and presenting data efficiency in DBMS. Thank you.